Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you two ways to activate the on-screen keyboard on MSI Thin A15. The first method is gonna be quite legacy, but it has a few buttons that the second method won't have, like the insert button, home, page up, or delete key. And the second method will not have it, but the second method is more adjusted to touch displays. So if you have an external touch display plugged in, then you may prefer the second method. So let's go to the settings, and first let's go to the first method, which will be in the accessibility, then keyboard, and you'll see on-screen keyboard here. Now it'll turn this on-screen keyboard on, so this is how it looks. You can also resize it as well. And you can also go to options to, for example, turn on the numpad. So now we have the numpad and the numlock key. You can see it is all kind of legacy, but for some usages it is way better than the second method, which I'm gonna show you. But for touchscreens, the second method is gonna be much better. So let's go to personalization now, then go to taskbar, and we can set touch keyboard to always. Now we'll always have the touch keyboard button on this bar at the bottom. Now we have the touch keyboard. We can use it like that, or we can click here, and set it to small so it'll be undocked. Also to split. For big touch screens it's kind of great. And traditional, so it'll have a few more keys, but still not as much as the first method which I've shown you. So this is how you can turn on the on-screen keyboard. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.